At the beginning of a school year, the student took 6,000 francs and bought the following: exercise books for 1,500, a pair of socks for 1,000 francs, a bag for 2,000 francs, and pens for 750 francs. How much had he left? Represent this on a pie chart. Let's work out the total amount spent. This will be 1,500 francs plus 1,000 francs plus 2,000 francs plus 750 francs. So add all of this will give us 0, 5, 2, and carry 1. So this gives us 5,250 francs. So we are told that the student initially had 6,000 francs. So how much is left? Amount left will be equals to 6,000 minus 5,250 francs. So this will give us 750 francs left. So the next thing is to calculate the areas that is subtended by the different sectors. So how do we do this? So angle of sector occupied the exercise books will be 1,500 divided by 6,000 times 360 degrees. So 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So 6 goes there one time, 6 goes there 6 times. 6 times 15 gives us 90 degrees. Angle of sector occupied by socks. This will be 1,000 divided by 6,000 times 360 degrees. So 0 cancel 0. This cancel that, that cancel that. 6 goes there one time. 6 goes there 6 times. 10 times 6 gives us 60 degrees. Angle of sector occupied by bags. This will be 2,000 divided by 6,000 times 360 degrees. 0 cancel 0. These zeros cancel. 6 goes there one time. 6 goes there 6 times. This will give us 120 degrees. Angle of sector occupied by pens. So here we have 700 francs. The pens cost 750 out of 6,000 times 360 degrees. So let's simplify this. 6 goes there 10 times. 6 goes there 6 times. 5 goes there 2 times. 5 goes there 15 times. 2 goes there 1 time. 2 goes there 3 times. So this is 15 times 3, which gives us 45 degrees. Angle of sector occupied by balance will be 750 divided by 6,000 times 360 degrees. So this will give us 45 degrees. So the next task is to represent all of these angles on a circle, and this will give us our pie chart. So how do we do this? So let me start by drawing a very large circle. So I start by marking the center of the circle, which is here, and then I draw a starting line. So now I begin with the first sector. The first sector measures 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. The next sector measures 60 degrees. 60 degrees from this line. So this is 60. This is 90 degrees. This is 60 degrees from this line. I go to the next one, which measures 120 degrees from this line. So I use my compass and measure 120 degrees. So this is 120 degrees. The next one measures 45 degrees from this line. So I measure 45 degrees using measures 45 degrees. This also measures 45 degrees. So now let me complete the levels. So here I'll have exercise books. Exercise books, socks, bags, pens, and here the balance. So we have represented the information on a pie chart as required. Let's draw a pie chart to represent the following data. So A occupies 8 units. We don't know what this data actually represents, but we can still represent this. So now, if the first thing to do is to calculate our total. So what will be the total by summing all of these values here? Will give us 8 plus 12 plus 18 plus 24 plus 10. So this gives us 72. So all of this, so the total of all of this is equal to 72. So A, what will be the angle of A? Angle of A will be equals to 8 all over 72 times 360 degrees. Angle of B will be equals to 12 all over 72 times 360 degrees. Angle of C will be equals to 18 all over 72 times 360 degrees. Angle of D will be equal to 24 all over 72 times 360 degrees. Angle of E will be equal to 10 all over 72 times 360. So let's simplify this. So 36 goes here 10 times, 36 goes there 2 times. So 8 divided by 2, 4. So this equals 40 degrees. This here equals to 36 goes at 10, 36 goes at 2, 6. So this is 60 degrees. So equals to 36, then 2, 9. This gives us 90 degrees. 36 goes at 10, goes at 2, 12. So 120 degrees. And the last one, 36 goes there, 10, 2 goes there 5 times. So this gives us 50 degrees. So now I represent this information on a pie chart. I start by drawing a very large circle. So I identify the starting line. So the first sector occupies 40 degrees as I measure 40 degrees. From this starting line. Go to the next one. And will be measure 60 degrees starting from this line. So I use a compass to measure that angle. The next one measures 90 degrees. Next one, D, measures 120 degrees. The last one measures 50 degrees. So let me identify those angles here. So here, so you have 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 190 degrees. This is 120 degrees, and this measures 50 degrees. So let me now complete the labelings. So this is sector A, sector B, sector C, sector D, and sector E. So I've represented this data on a pie chart.